I'll have to be really quiet. Baby Gus is sleeping. We're in San Antonio. Hear him snoring? Cornelia's sleeping too. I'm glad they're sleeping now. So they won't hear me and Mommy talk about how we can't go to SeaWorld. Oh, look, they're awake. Oh no, Gus is still asleep. Oh, look at Gus. Here, let's see, Gus. Gus, he's sound asleep. I can hear him snoring. Is Mommy sleeping?
I wish.
Let's see if Mommy's sleeping. Here's our little pet Elmo. Pet Enzo. Enzo's our pet. We're doing okay, Enzo. Thumbs up. Okay, here's my little... Oh no.
Oh, shh.
Good night.
Daddy, here comes a spider.